guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, welcome. My name is Natasha. Go ahead and subscribe, like this video while you're at it, all that good stuff. So listen, today I'm giving Black Malibu Barbie realness. Like, I literally feel like I love it, 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 I love it. I just feel like my last few looks have been like hit after hit after hit. So shout out to OMGHerHair for sponsoring today's video. They came through with this gorgeous, do you guys see this? Do you guys see it? This gorgeous wig? I love it. So if you want to see how I got this look, make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel. Once again, do not leave this video without subscribing. Like this video and keep watching. Hey y'all, what's up? What's poppin'? We're gonna get straight into this install, and I always start by cleaning off my hairline with a skin protectant, you guys. It's very important that you guys stop using alcohol. It is breaking your edges and causing your edges to fall off, okay? Use a skin protectant. It's gonna help protect your edges. It's gonna make for a longer install, and it's gonna clean that hairline area. So this wig is from OMGHerHair. I will leave all the information for the wig and any coupon codes and all that good stuff down below, so make sure you guys are checking out the description box. But we're gonna talk about this wig while I do my install. For those who may be new, I don't do wig caps and I don't do glue. It's too messy and takes too long, and I like to sleep bald, okay? I don't like to sleep with my wigs on, so I like to take them off at the end of the night. If necessary though, just know these installs last days. It lasts until I take it off, but I prefer to just take them off. Anyways, this wig is straight out the box. I did not wash it. I did not pluck it, bleach the knots, or color this hair. This is as is. So this unit is like an ash blonde with the highlights and the rooting. Oh, this is my dream wig. If this was me in a wig, this would be it. This would literally be it. This is like my go-to. I love the blonde and the rooting. It's so me. So this wig is also silky, you guys. So like normally whenever you color or bleach hair, it loses its texture. It strips the hair. This hair was so flowy. It was so silky. Had very, very minimal shedding, you guys. And it curled so nicely. My only issue with this wig was the coloring at the top. You can see they missed a few spots. But me personally, I know how to fix it. And also I already knew that when I got this wig, I wanted to wear it in a side part before even seeing that, because I've been doing middle part after middle part after middle part. If you look at my last few videos, I've been doing a lot of middle parts. So I was like, I want to do a side part with the blonde, and I haven't done a side part with color in a while. So like, let me just do it. Let me do my big one. So it ended up working out where it covered it. But yeah, that's my only issue. But you know, we move, all right? I just want to let you guys know though, if you ever have a problem with your wig, do not cut the lace. Inspect your wig, look at the wig, inspect it before putting on. OMGHerHair has excellent customer service and will gladly replace your wig and do what they need to do to make you happy, okay? So just keep that in mind. If you do cut the lace or do anything to it, I don't know how that works, but I know that if the wig is untouched, they will, you know, fix things for you. So back into this install. I wanted to do a side part. I was feeling Barbie-ish. And oh my gosh, you guys, the Barbie movie is coming out soon. I don't know why we're all collectively so happy about this, but I definitely am, okay? So I'm doing the side part and I'm just kind of molding the hair so that it's nice and flat. And yeah, I'm just using a little hairspray. I've been using this 𝐻𝐿 hairspray. It has like a really light hold, but it gets the job done. When I say done, I mean done. And I'm just like making sure it's giving scalp and all that. And when I tell you, I literally did not pluck any hair off of this wig, but this hairline looks so good. It literally looks like my hairline. Like, look at how my hairline looks and look at how that hairline is. Look, do you guys see that? Oh my gosh, it's so amazing. So amazing. So back to the styling, my favorite part. I wanted to do long layers. I didn't want to do my layers too short because I don't like when like colored hair is like too styled. It's already colorful. It's already gonna turn heads. So I want the styling to be very effortless and flowy. So I did very long layers, and then I proceeded to curl my hair. Oh, and I've been using this Garnier Fructis serum again. Chef's kiss. But I'm using my T3 curler to curl the hair. And you guys, these curls came out phenomenal. I did my curls how I normally do. The only difference is that for the front pieces, I curled inwards going towards my face. when normally I go back, because I felt like back was just going to give too much volume and va-va-voom when I really wanted this to just be flowy and pretty. So I'm curling, as you can see right here, away from my face, and then the two pieces on each side in the front I did forward. So you guys just, sit back, watch me work. Once I'm done curling my hair, I will take a wide tooth comb, and notice I'm combing downwards. If I want that extra volume, I will literally take the wide tooth comb and rake back. But I, again, wanted my hair to be very effortless and just flat and sleek and salon perfect. So I'm combing downwards and just kind of shaping the hair to my likings and seeing like where I want the curls to fall, if I need any more layers, any of that. And I just kind of like eyeball it. So once that's done, I take my elastic band off. I finish laying my lace if necessary. I have not been doing baby hairs, you guys. It's been giving professional, sleek, flawless. But I do the little like sideburn. I don't know why, I just like that. And then I put some powder in the part. You guys see, I love the parting space. Like, the parting space just gives like, it's natural. Don't talk to me. My wig cost $1 million. That's what it gives, and we like that, okay? But that's pretty much it, you guys. I did my makeup off camera. Well, not off camera. I actually did film a makeup tutorial on this look on my other channel, so make sure you guys check that out if you're interested in the completed look. And that's pretty much it, you guys. It is giving. Even without the makeup, this is giving. If the color hits with no makeup, you did your big one. So make sure you guys check out the description box for all the information on this wig, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.